Yeah, just gonna make a phone call. Take care of everything. One phone call is all it's gonna take. Joey, did you take care of that thing? Yeah, I got the cement shoes already. No problem. I didn't see nothing. Hey, yo, what's with these boxes taking over my limelight over here?
Oh, we're not boxes, we're the rockin' talking robots, Rock. Look at this. I just knocked out the Moulignon.
Moulignon, he's red.
That's because you didn't take your spinach, Rock.
Spinach? What do you mean spinach?
It's not spinach. I got broccoli raw.
Uh-oh, the police are here. Here's your cigarettes. Don't worry about it. Keep going.
Hey, you say anything, I'll kill you. Open your mouth, you're dead. Scarface, what are you doing here? You're not Italian.
Fuck you. Oh, Maron, I got such agita you wouldn't believe.
Hey, fellas, be careful. I think the Godfather's here. The Godfather? Oh, no!
I'm gonna take the batteries out of your head, I swear to God.